Let's go there. Let's go there. How
9 years old.
How old? You're running. Who's anyway? Let's go back. Let's go back.
Talk about Aisha?
Yeah, you want to talk about Aisha? Okay.
There's no way on earth I would ever sleep with a 5-year-old.
Would you sleep with a 3-year-old? That's a question.
No.
Okay. Would you sleep with a 12-year-old?
No.
Okay. How old was Saint Joseph when he married Mary?
It's like 35.
35. You're Catholic? Go look up your Catholic encyclopedia. Okay. And how old was Mary?
He's like 16, 17.
She was 12.
No.
According to the Catholic, look it up. Catholic encyclopedia.
Anyways.
Anyways, watch them run. Watch them run. Right? Run. Catholic encyclopedia says that she was 12 to 14 years of age.
Let me see. Even if she never slept with her, she could have asked.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. You're all going to
Okay,
hell.
done. Thank you so much for your opinion. Nobody asked you. No, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. All right, let's go back. You need medication. Let me tell you that. All right.